All right, so Pfizer's at $38.57 with a market cap of 215.15 billion. So we've had a massive run up, and I'm sure you're saying $2 isn't a massive run up. For Pfizer, that's a massive run up. So the fact we were even at $36 last week was shocking. And now we're at 38. That's incredible for Pfizer. And I'm waiting to see where it's going to level off, if we're going to continue to go up. But a lot of the news that has come out recently has got us to this point. So the J&J vaccine being put on pause, that benefits Pfizer because there's what, three COVID vaccines, and you take one away, that I mean that means more people are going to get vaccinated with Pfizer now until J&J figures that out. It's just a matter of time before they do, but until then, that benefits Pfizer. And then recently, the Pfizer CEO says a third COVID vaccine dose likely needed within 12 months. So you get the two shots with a couple weeks apart from each other, and then you may need a third. But then they're also talking about annual revaccination. Like you might need one shot. It's undetermined. You might need two. But this is looking like it's just going to be like the flu shot. You get it every year, and sadly, I know it's terrible to say this kind of stuff, but we are invested in Pfizer, so yearly shots from Pfizer means billions of dollars for Pfizer. That just benefits us, and that will keep us able to provide that sweet dividend. And hey, maybe this will be our new range. Honestly, I hope it goes back down to the $34 to $36 range. So when I get more dividends, I can buy more shares. But we'll just have to see where it levels off. I just want you to be aware of that. So stay on top of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.